Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and today we begin an exciting new section, Zoology and Animal Biology. In this lecture, we'll explore the fascinating world of animal behavior and communication. If you missed our last episode on plant hormones and stress responses, you can find the full playlist linked in the description below. Here's a question: why do birds sing at dawn, wolves hunt in packs, or fireflies flash in perfect rhythm? These aren't random acts. They're carefully tuned behaviors and communication systems that help animals survive and reproduce. Animal behavior, the basics. Animal behavior is the sum of everything an animal does, from finding food to avoiding predators, from courtship displays to caring for offspring. It can be broadly divided into innate behaviors, genetically programmed like a spider spinning a web or a baby sea turtle moving toward the ocean. Learned behaviors, shaped by experience, like crows using tools or dolphins learning tricks. Together, these behaviors are influenced by genes, environment, and evolution. Communication in animals. For behaviors to be coordinated, animals need to communicate, to send and receive information. Different species use different channels, visual signals. Bright feathers in peacocks signal health and attract mates. Honeybees perform the waggle dance to show the location of food. Acoustic signals. Birds use songs for territory defense and courtship. Whales and dolphins communicate with clicks and whistles across vast oceans. Chemical signals, pheromones. Ants leave scent trails to guide colony members to food. Mammals use pheromones to signal readiness for mating. Tactile signals. Primates groom each other to strengthen social bonds. Cats rub against humans to mark them with scent glands. Each signal must be reliable and adaptive, helping animals survive and reproduce. Case studies and applications. Meerkats, sentinels give warning calls, allowing the group to forage safely. Fireflies, species-specific flash patterns prevent cross-species mating mistakes. Elephants use infrasound inaudible to humans to communicate across kilometers. Conservation biology. Understanding animal communication helps in wildlife management, like using whale songs to track migration or preventing human noise pollution. Why this matters in zoology and animal biology. Animal behavior is the link between biology, ecology, and evolution. It helps us understand not only how species survive, but also how they interact in complex ecosystems. For students, this topic connects neurobiology, genetics, and even psychology. Past, present, and future relevance. Past, pioneers like Konrad Lorenz and Nicolaas Tinbergen laid the foundations of ethology. Present, modern tracking technology and AI help decode animal communication patterns. Future, studying behavior may even improve human-animal coexistence, from managing endangered species to designing bio-inspired robots. So that's our exploration of animal behavior and communication, from instinctive survival tactics to complex social signals. In our next lecture, we'll go deeper into the biological strategies of life, exploring reproductive strategies in animals, from external fertilization in frogs to the complex mating rituals of birds and mammals. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and subscribe so you won't miss the next lecture. Because when you understand behavior, you begin to see that every action in the animal kingdom carries meaning.